All right, so make someone an admin on your page so as the person can probably run ads for you or um manage your account probably to just do any tasks for you. So you click on your Facebook app, then look on your screen, the down part on the right hand side, you will see your profile picture. Then underneath, you will see menu. All right, menu. So click on that menu icon. That is if you are not in the page immediately. You understand? That's my profile. So I want to switch to the page. So I will select the page. You can see I have some page here for some of my clients. So I'll click on this particular page. Let me use this particular page. Then now the next thing you are going to do, okay. Now I'm in the page. I'm in the page. So you click on professional dashboard. Now it loads here. Then come down on the last section, order. Then click on settings. Now after clicking on settings, it opens up. Then you scroll. Okay, click on page setup. All right, look at page setup. Okay, page setup. Then you click on page access, the third option, page access. Let me go back. Page setup here, right? On this advanced and visibility page, then you see page details, verify your page, how people can find and contact you, post stories, page setup, right? Click on page setup, then page access. So here you can add someone as an admin to do a task for you. So add new. Okay, so you click next. Now you have to search the person's name. Let's say for instance I want to use, I don't have anybody to use, but let me search one of my friends name. Okay, let's say this girl. Now I want to make her an admin. Okay, I would select this name and click on this, allow this person to also have full control. All right, so these are the things the person can do. Person can create, manage, or delete photos, stories, more as the page. Now message and calls, respond directly to inbox. The person can respond directly to your message and calls on the page. Now community activity, the person can respond to comments, delete comments, pinned comment and all. Ads, create ads and delete ads for the page. Insight, see how the page content ads perform. Now allow this person to also have full control. Anyone with full control can give access to others. Right, remove anyone from the page including you, or delete the page. You understand? So I won't advise you to check this if you are adding someone to manage your page. So these four are okay. All right, these four are okay. The person can create ads, the person can manage content, the person can respond to messages, the person can post the person can delete posts, the person can post stories or whatever. So I think that is okay. Don't give full access. All right, although people, if me, I don't have issues, but just in case of other people, my clients do check it. Some people don't even know what it means. Sometimes they just check it and they give me the access. I don't do shit, like, God forbid, there's nothing there. So but you can't try that with anybody anyway, so do not give full access. But then after all of this, then you click on give access. So I'm not going to click on give access because this lady will receive a message saying that um she will receive a message saying that I invited her to come and be managing my page, then ask her if she wants to accept the invite. So she has option to accept or decline the invite. All right, she has options to accept. So when you invite anybody, they have options to accept the invite or delete or ignore and delete the invite. Okay, so if the person accepts, it means that the person has accepted to take on this task on your page. All right, So that's how you invite someone as an admin to manage your page for you. All right. So once you add the person as admin, you have to tell the person, I have sent you an admin invitation. Please accept it. So you tell the person, once the person accepts, the person will have access to manage your page. Once again, don't check this. Remember, anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from the page, including you. All right, you see they bracketed it, including you, or delete the page. You understand? Don't risk it. All right. So take good care of yourself and bye for now.